Here's a UPS package from Kimafun. This is a wireless microphone setup that Kimafun sent me to review. I'll be checking this out in an upcoming video. When I post it, you'll see it right there. I look forward to trying this out. I've already opened this, but I didn't do it on camera. This is a CanaKit Raspberry Pi 4 basic starter kit, 4 gigabytes. Power supplies here. The Raspberry Pi computer was in here, but now it's in here with the case. And the Raspberry Pi's already been installed in the case with the fan. I have an SD card plugged in with the OS. Anyway, I'll do a video about this if you want me to. Let me know in the comments if you want me to. So far I've been using it as a media server. I have some other ideas I could do with it though. Anyway, it's a fun little computer that has a lot of features packed into a small size. I broke the seal on this one at work, but let's go ahead and open it all the way up. This should be a Logitech wireless keyboard. And it is. I'm going to be using this with my Raspberry Pi 4. There's where the batteries go. Here's the USB dongle. Came with batteries, so that's good. This package arrived from Amazon Prime. This is a microSD card. I'm going to be using this with an action cam. Here's another Amazon Prime. Alright, this is a flash bracket that lets you mount 2 of them on a single tripod. Here's a big old envelope from Amazon Prime. A big old almost empty envelope. Okay, this is a Lexar professional 64 gigabyte card. I picked this up because I wanted an SDXC 2 card, and notice the V60 on it. You can't always trust these megabyte per seconds because write speed and read speed are often different, and write speed's what's important when you're recording video. If it has this V60 logo, it's supposed to be able to handle 4K at 60 frames per second, and I needed a replacement card for one that has gone bad on me. This is an Amazon Prime package. Okay, I did one review for a Kimafun Lavalier mic. This is a Kimafun stick mic that they've asked me to review. This will be another wireless microphone, so I'm gonna do a review of this really soon. Look for a link right here when I post this video. Not sure what this is. This is an adapter so I can plug a microphone with a mini plug into an XLR connector. I'm going to be using this with my Kimafun wireless. This package came all the way from China. Oh boy, that got squashed. I hope everything's still good. This is the absolute cheapest 4K camera I've ever seen. I think this was $12.50. So I'm gonna see how good this 4K Ultra HD action cam is in an upcoming video. Maybe compare it to the other action cam I own. Here's a package from Amazon Prime. All right, this is a 2-pack of SanDisk memory cards. They're 32 gigabytes. I needed this for one of my action cams that this is really the only card it'll take. This cost almost as much as the action cam did, but I'm going to need these to test it out. All right, this one came from China Post. All right, we have a sports cam, full HD 1080p. This was an eBay purchase. I wanted to find the absolute cheapest action cam that was at least 1080p, and this was less than $10, free shipping. Looks like the box might have already kind of gotten opened. So here it is. I'll be checking this out pretty thoroughly later. So watch for a video about this 1080p sports cam that I can find absolutely no branding on it whatsoever. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, this is a piece of mounting gear for an action cam that'll allow me to mount 2 action cams on a single mount. This package came from G.Skill USA. I sent back a pair of RAM sticks. One of them was faulty, the other was good, but they said that I should send them both back. This is 16 gigabytes times 2 for 32 gigabytes total. DDR4 3600. This looks like it might be a CD. Wrapped in cracker cardboard. Okay, the 2 albums are Little Deuce Coupe and All Summer Long. 2 albums on 1 CD. There's the art for the Little Deuce Coupe. There's the art for All Summer Long. This came from Swap a CD. Thank you very much for this CD. This looks like it came from Swap a CD. We have Whitney, The Greatest Hits. This is a 2 CD set in a chubby jewel case. Booklets here. Both discs are here. Some of the teeth on the that hold the disc in place have broken off, so I'll be replacing these pieces on the jewel case. That's probably why they didn't put this disc on this side. But I'll be replacing the broken parts of this jewel case and giving this disc to somebody who wants it. Thank you for this transaction. This came from Swap a CD. Here we have Colonel Claypool's Bucket of Bernie Brains, the big eyeball in the sky. This would be Les Claypool. And he's with Buckethead on this one. Booklets in there. All right. This came from Swap a CD. Thank you very much. We got a CD here. Seriously packaged in tape. Oh boy. See if I can get this rear insert out without tearing it up. Look at that. The rear insert has been folded. Okay, there's the rear insert. But this is Survivor, the official soundtrack to the hit TV series. That is the season 1 cast of Survivor here. They're now doing season 40. So this is kind of cool to have the season 1 soundtrack to this TV show that's lasted so long. This looks like a CD. I'm a little concerned because it's bent here. You can even see the outline of a CD here. Let's see what we got. CD looks good. Front insert looks good. This is Buddy's Baddest, the best of Buddy guy. Excellent blues guitarist. So I look forward to listening to this one. Thank you very much. Here's another CD from Swap a CD. This is the remaster of the Foreigner debut album. I only have the original issue of this, so the remaster has 4 bonus tracks on it that are not on the original issue. So I look forward to that. Thank you very much. This is a CD from Swap a CD. They packaged it in a box, which is a good thing. It helps keep it safer. The Very Best of Talk Talk, Natural History. It's a band from the 80s. Pretty good band from the 80s. This compilation is 1990. Thank you very much for this CD. This came from Swap a DVD. This is a DVD of the original Westworld movie. If anyone wants to see the origin of Westworld, it would be this movie right here starring Yul Brynner. So thank you very much for this exchange. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel. Stay thrifty, everyone.